everybody? It's Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world, and I'm coming back at you with another video, and this time it's not a game, it's memes. You guys like memes? You guys like memes? Oh, well, this is a video for you, baby. So the app I'm using today is called Meme Generator. So let's just go over, let's just go over the memes right here. So one cool thing about the meme is that you can create your own memes, baby. This is what this app is all about if you want to create your own meme. And this app updates pretty frequently. So if you want to see like all the new apps, popular apps, or not apps, memes. So you kind of go through this, and as you can see, this is Gorilla versus King Kong. I mean King Kong versus Godzilla. So I've actually seen this meme around already. And if you don't know what to add, you could do an example. So, like for example, AMD fanboy, NVIDIA fanboy, cryptocurrency miners. And then if you don't like that one, click example again. There you go. Pretty girl with big ass, hot girl with big boobs, cute girl with great personality and an oversized hoodie. So yeah, you can kind of like click on example, go through these. So this one only has like 3 examples. And then if you wanna edit, you could go to add text. You can start editing these, NVIDIA fanboy. So if you wanna, I don't know, let's see, Apple, let's see, and then Samsung, whoops. And then, let me see, Huawei, right? So, yeah. So if you wanna do that, you can do it, and then you can save. So you can save to your device if you're okay with this, or you can save as an editable template. So I'll save it as an editable template. All right. So here we are, Apple, Samsung, Huawei, and so this is my saved template right here. So if I want to switch, or if I want to edit it some more, I could. So if I want to change the text, I could add effects. I could add fry effects. So if that's what you want to do, you could do that. And I am using the free version. They also have a pro version. I'm not 100% sure what the pro version offers, but I feel like the free version is good enough. The free version does every now and then have ads when you're using that, using the app, but I don't think it's too bad. It doesn't really pop up way too often. So I feel like it's good, man. So yeah, if you want to change the text, if you want to change the font, if you want to change the size, you could do that. If you want to change the color, you could do that. Change the outline color. If you want to move it around, you could do that. So yeah, it's pretty good. So I feel like, yeah, let's save it. And then, and then as you can see, I've also have some other templates right here. So these are some other stuff. So I was playing around with it. And actually, yeah, even, before you see this video, I may have already posted some on my Twitter or Facebook, baby. But yeah, so let's just take a look and see the ones I've come up with. So I'm a big Attack on Titan fan. So for all my Attack on Titan fans out there, you might kind of understand why, what this is about. So Armin and Marley port. So there you go. If you haven't watched Attack on Titan, I highly recommend it, baby. So there you go, and have this one with Squidward when you try to sleep, but you leave notifications on for all your apps. So yeah, you can just kind of play around with it. If if you're pretty creative, you could, come up with some good stuff, man. Checking my phone at night, sleep. How true is that? How true is that? That's why my eyes are black, baby. This isn't makeup. It's because I keep checking my phone at night and I get no sleep, baby. But yeah, there you go. So these are some other ones I come up with. And this one for all my gacha players out there. Free to play noob pulls a SSR from a single summon. And these are the whales reaction. All right, so if you've been on groups or on Reddit before where you see people like share their summons or their pulls, yeah, you can see like someone brand new posting like they got like the on banner character, or they might even get all the banner characters from one pull. Yeah, man, that's pretty ridiculous, man. Versus like the people that spend like, Jesus Christ. I mean, I've heard and I've seen people spend like hundreds of dollars on gacha games and they never pull what they want to pull, which is unfortunate. And then you see like the beginner pull what they wanted, like on their first try. So yeah, so this app is pretty neat. It's made by Zombo Droid, I believe. And then, oh yeah, that's right, they also have video memes, but you need to get a different app, which I don't have as of right now. And then you also have background grids. So if I wanted to pick this, you could add your own text. And then you should be able to add your own pictures around over here. So if you click on the sticker button, you can see like these are the memes. You have emojis right here, and you should be able to upload your own as well. But I don't want to, I have nothing on my phone that's worth uploading. So yeah, let's just pick this guy. So you can put this guy right here, make the image a little bigger, add your own text. Let's see. I cannot come up with anything right now. Let's see. When you turn in homework a day early. I don't know. Early. But get an F. Or hold on, I wanted to do F. There we go. Yeah, so I mean, obviously the image is too big, so let's scale it down a little bit. Actually, that's kind of stupid, but there you go. You could create your own memes if you don't like the background. If you don't like that background, you can pick one of these, just a standard color, pick a grid. So yeah, lots of customizations, custom memes. You could, again, upload your own picture and just go from there, baby. But what I find most useful is definitely just going to memes and just browsing through all the ones that people are familiar with. So like this one. So this one, I'm pretty sure everybody's seen this one, and then you just click an example. Like the great thing about having the example is that if you see a meme that you want to use, that you really like, but you don't exactly know like how you should like put the text in there, the example gives you some good ideas. So like me, bread, more bread. Hey, all right, baby. So yeah, you get a decent amount to choose from, and yeah, you can just customize as you go. All right, so that's the great thing about this app. Lots of memes to choose from. You can create your own. You can customize it, and if you have like a social media and you want to build an audience, or if you just love memes, or you want to create a new group for people to just post memes or to contribute and look at memes, this is a great app, man. So this is a great app if you want to, come up with some new memes, and then just post it and try to build a following like that. So I find that to be very useful, especially for people trying to build an audience. So I might actually use this a little bit more. And maybe I'll post it on Twitter or Facebook. So be sure to give me a follow, baby. All right, so that's it. So that's the meme generator. Actually a very good app. I'm not sure if the Pro version offers anything that useful besides removing ads, because I know for sure it removes ads in the Pro version. Maybe I'll pay for it and download it in the future, but for now I feel like the free version is good enough. Okay, so there you go. If you want to make some memes, if you want to look at some memes, if you're creative, if you want to build a following on social media, definitely give this a try. So if you want to just play around with the app, definitely a good option right there. I don't think I've seen any other apps that offer this much customization before for memes, so I think this is probably the best one so far. All right, so Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world. As you all know, please give me a subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Leave a comment. If you like the video, give me a like. Social links again are in the description. If you want to follow me around, please do so. Okay? And I will see you in the next video, baby. Peace. Bye.